You need to hear this if you're a couple looking to strengthen your bond. Introducing The Lazy Love Book by Pastor Keion Henderson. Relationships can be tough, right? But what if you could transform the way you love? The Lazy Love Book reveals how lazy love is holding you back. Pastor Keion Henderson from the Lighthouse Church in Houston guides you through the 4 types of love mentioned in the Bible: eros, phileo, storge, and agape. Learn to recognize unhealthy habits that damage your relationships and replace them with actions that bring true fulfillment. At Lighthouse, we believe in anticipating a move of God, setting a great atmosphere, accepting everyone through love, being authentic, and taking action. And this book is a perfect reflection of those pillars. Discover how to strengthen your connections with family, partners, friends, and others. Find deeper satisfaction by learning to love better. Buy the Lazy Love Book today on Amazon or your favorite bookstore, because everyone deserves to experience the transformative power of true love.